Hey there, folks! Today, we're going to learn how 5-minute chocolate cake. Perfect for those times when you're craving something sweet, but don't have much time. So, let's get started. First, gather your ingredients. For tablespoons of all-purpose flour, for tablespoons of granulated sugar, to tablespoons of unsweet and cocoa powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt, 3 tablespoons of milk, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. You can also add some chocolate chips or a spoonful of Nutella for extra gooiness, but that's totally optional. Now, let's mix our dry ingredients in a microwave-safe mug or bowl. Flour, sugar, cocoa powder, baking powder, and salt. Once they're combined, add your wet ingredients, milk, oil, and vanilla. Stir until smooth. Now, here's the fun part. Pop your mug in the microwave and set it to 5 minutes on high. Keep an eye on it, as microwaves can vary in power. After 2 minutes, check on your cake. If it's not quite done, give it another 30 seconds. When it's ready, it will be slightly puffy and moist. And there you have it, folks. A quick and easy 5-minute chocolate cake that you can whip up in no time. I hope you enjoy this recipe. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more delicious recipes and tips. Thanks for watching, and happy baking! Don't forget to like and subscribe for more like this.
Add ice cream or whipping cream. Comment below how your cake in a mug is successfully baked.